Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add hyperlink in PowerPoint or slide. If you want to transform your static slides into a dynamic interactive experience, adding hyperlink is essential if you want to link to websites, external documents, or jump into different slides within the presentation itself. So I'm going to show you the step by step. So for the quick access, you just need to use the right click menu, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus K to add the link. If you want to use right click, you can just right click, and here you can just click on this one link, and you can add the link that you want to. For example, you want to add into a certain websites, or maybe like this one, Google Sheets, or another slide, just like this. So when you present these slides, you can just click on it and it will be connected to the link. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.